This video is a quick tour on my modern chicken coop that I built. The coop measures 6 feet high by 7 feet long by 3 feet width. I'm going to show you a few ideas that I put into this coop that you won't find on many manufactured coops. These are ideas that are going to help you with the maintenance and a few other ideas that are actually helpful with raising chickens. So as you can see, the first thing you'll notice is a pretty decent size inside. What this has is a few detachable items, which is this roosting bar, which you can move to wherever you want, however you want it. You can add more if you want. And then you have the nesting box. Now the nesting box is actually removable due to the fact that when the chickens are young, they're not supposed to be sitting in there. The nesting box is intended for when they start laying eggs. So the way to remove that nesting box, just open up the back door, lift up and pull it out. It makes it easy to remove and clean and maintain. Then the next thing you'll notice right away is these pans. These pans are just baking sheets that you could get anywhere. And once you fill them with some bedding, all you have to do to change them out, easy, lift up, dump them in a wheelbarrow or compost. So at about 5 months, that's when you would be putting the nesting box into the coop. The way this is done is you'll see these notches here. They sit right where the pan goes. So that's this door, the side door. This is pretty much access for the eggs once the chickens start laying. So it gives you plenty of access to the coop. Now down here we'll have a door. So this is actually for the run, and this is a DIY chicken feeder that I installed. Pretty easy to make, 10 minutes, under $10. I'll link a video to that below, or as well at the end. The other side of the run, pretty much this is their door and their entrance. So let me know what you guys think of it, and I'll show you a quick 360 of the whole thing.